Ayun mga guys, may bago na namang Click 125i 2023 ang inilabas ni Honda. Alam naman nating lahat na maraming ng Click ang inilabas ni Honda. Iba't ibang version. At ngayong 2023 ay may bago silang in-update sa Click 125i, tara at ating alamin. Ang Honda kilala sa kanilang signature na combined braking system. This make the Click 125i stable kung ikaw ay magkapreno na mapanatiling stable and steady ang takbo. Naka-LED na rin ito ng mga ilaw, mapa headlight, tail light at signal light. Ginawa nila itong bright, bold, and clear para mas maliwanag at safe ang biyahe mo sa tuwing gabi. Naka-fully digital na rin po ang kanyang display at kompleto ito ng mga impormasyon sa kakailanganin mo sa tuwing ikaw ay nagdadrive. Upgraded na rin ito ng security shutter. Bago din ang kanyang wheel cast design at ang kanyang wavy disc brake na maganda sa tuwing ikaw ay magpepreno. At dating naman sa kanyang luggage ay meron nitong 18-liter, convenient sa paglagyan mo ng mga gamit sa iyong biyahe at kasya dito ang isang full-face helmet at yung mga personal belongings mo. Ang kagandahan dito ay meron na itong sporty style na muffler at tunog Honda talaga. Naka-bold design na po ang kanyang sticker with a striking, sporty finish. At mas malapad na rin ang kanyang gulong which is maganda sa bankingan. At kung malubat ang iyong cellphone sa gitna ng biyahe ay pwede ka ditong mag-charge dahil equip ito ng USB charger. Punta tayo sa kanang specification, naka 4-stroke, 2-valve, single overhead cam, liquid-cooled at ESP o enhanced smart power. At ang presyo nito ang tumataginting na 80,900 pesos at pwede pa yang magbago depende sa lugar mo. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel ay pasubscribe na lang at paklik sa notification bell para updated ka sa susunod na video. Hatid ko po ang kaalaman sa mga specs at features ng mga bagong motor. I love you all.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my